Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about favorite foods.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Food is such a wonderful topic, Sophia. Everybody loves to eat.
Yes, Ryan, food is very important and talking about it is very fun.
That is true. It connects people from all over the world.
Exactly. Ryan, let me ask you, what is your favorite food?
Oh, my absolute favorite food is pizza. I can eat it every single day.
Oh, really? That sounds delicious. What kind of pizza do you like?
I love simple pizza. Just tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, and basil.
Wow, that is the classic Italian pizza. Margarita, right?
Yes, exactly. It is simple but so good. What about you, Sophia? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is vegetable soup with warm, fresh bread.
That sounds cozy. Is it a special family recipe?
Yes, my grandmother taught me how to make it when I was a child.
That sounds fun. I think homemade soup is the best comfort food.
I agree. It is perfect for a cold day.
Let's talk about the word favorite for a moment.
Great idea. Favorite means the one you like the most of all.
Yes, you can have a favorite color, a favorite book, or a favorite food.
In British English, it has a U, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. In American English, it is F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E.
That is a useful explanation, Sophia. Both are correct.
Thank you. By the way, if you want to read all these words, we have something special.
Oh yes, that is a useful sentence.
Yes, we have a free presentation for this lesson. You can download it right now.
Let's give another example. If you want to see the vocabulary on your computer, you can click the link below the video.
Great idea. It is a completely free download for all our listeners.
Yes, you can download the presentation, print it out, and study at home.
Excellent. Now, let's talk more about your pizza, Ryan. Do you bake it yourself?
Sometimes I do. I make the dough with flour, water, yeast, and salt.
Making dough. That sounds interesting. Is it difficult?
No, it is actually quite easy, but you need patience. The dough needs to rise.
Ah, to rise. Let's explain that verb for our beginner learners.
To rise means to go up or get bigger. The yeast makes the pizza dough big and fluffy.
That is a great vocabulary word, rise. R-I-S-E.
Yes, the pronunciation is simple. Rise. It rhymes with wise.
Perfect. Listeners, try to say it out loud. Rise.
Great. Now, Sophia, tell me about the ingredients in your grandmother's soup.
Oh, it has many healthy vegetables. I use carrots, potatoes, onions, and celery.
Potatoes and carrots. Do you cut them into small pieces?
Yes, I chop them up. In English, to chop means to cut into pieces with a knife.
That sounds like a lot of work, but it is worth it.
It is. I let everything cook slowly in a big pot for 1 hour.
1 hour? The smell in your kitchen must be amazing.
Yes, it smells wonderful. By the way, if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps our channel grow every day.
Now, Ryan, let's look at a very simple grammar point about food.
Oh, fantastic. Let's do it. What is the rule?
When we talk about food, we talk about countable and uncountable nouns.
Ah, yes. For example, apple is countable. You can say 1 apple, 2 apples.
Exactly. But soup or rice is uncountable. You just say some soup or some rice.
You cannot say 1 soup, 2 soups naturally in English. You say a bowl of soup.
This is a very important rule for complete beginners.
It really is. Remember, you can see these grammar rules clearly in our downloadable presentation.
Yes, everything is written down in the presentation file. It makes learning very simple.
Perfect. Let's go back to our main topic. Ryan, do you like sweet foods too? Yes, I have a big sweet tooth. I love chocolate cake and vanilla ice cream.
Oh, to have a sweet tooth. That is a beautiful idiom.
It is. It means you love eating sweet things like candy, cakes, and chocolate.
I do not have a sweet tooth. I prefer savory foods like cheese or nuts.
Savory is another good word. It means salty or spicy, not sweet.
Yes, my husband loves chocolate, but I prefer a piece of cheese.
Opposites attract. That is very normal.
That is true. Ryan, let's look at a regular verb we use today, cook.
Yes, I cook soup today. In the past tense is cooked.
Right, we just add ed. Yesterday, I cooked a big dinner.
Let's practice the pronunciation of cooked. The ed sounds like a sharp T. Cooked.
Exactly, cooked. It is not cook-ed, it is just one syllable with a T sound at the end.
That is an excellent tip for a clean AI voiceover or clear speaking.
Yes, small pronunciation tips make a huge difference.
Sophia, what is a food you really do not like, your least favorite food?
Oh, I really do not like seafood. I don't like fish, shrimp, or crabs.
Seafood? Wow, I'm surprised. Why don't you like it?
I don't like the smell and the texture feels strange to me.
That's fair. Many people feel the same way about seafood.
What about you, Ryan? Is there a food you dislike?
I really do not like raw onions. They're too strong and make me cry.
Oh, yes, onions make everyone cry when you chop them.
Exactly. But if they're cooked, I like them. They become sweet.
That is very true. Cooking changes the flavor completely.
Well, what about our listeners? What about you? What is your favorite food?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We want to know.
Yes, tell us if you like sweet pizza, hot soup, or if you have a sweet tooth.
And don't forget to grab your free presentation download in the description.
Now, let's review our favorite phrase from today, comfort food.
Yes, comfort food is food that makes you feel happy, warm, and safe.
For me, it is grandmother's soup. For Ryan, it's fresh pizza.
Beautifully said, Sophia. Learning English can also be comfortable.
Yes, step by step, line by line.
Well, today was a lot of fun. We talked about pizza, soup, countable and uncountable nouns, and sweet teeth.
I enjoyed our conversation today. We learned a lot of practical English.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our podcast. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.